Still using spreadsheets? Let AI save your time, smartly.
For years, finance teams have relied on Excel. It's the universal language of accountants, analysts, and CFOs. It's simple, flexible, and, let's face it, comforting. But as business data grows faster than ever, Excel's convenience starts to crack. Reports that once took hours now take days. And forecasts? They often tell you what happened, not what's about to happen. The world is no longer about explaining the past. It's about anticipating the future. And this is where AI finance agents come in, not to replace Excel, but to work with it, accelerating insights while keeping human control at the center.
So, will AI replace Excel? Not quite. It'll make it stronger.
Variance analysis and forecasting are the heartbeat of financial control, but they're also the biggest time sinks. Let's look at a typical month-end. You import data from ERP, CRM, and budget templates. You patch formulas, you fix version mismatches, and finally, you rebuild pivot tables again. By the time the variance report is ready, the next forecast cycle is already knocking on the door. It's like running a race where the finish line keeps moving. Manual workflows waste over 85% of time in preparation. With AI, analysis starts instantly, letting you focus on interpretation, not repetition.
Minutes, not hours, with control. That's AI.
AI finance agents are built to automate the repetitive, time-draining parts of finance work, from variance detection to forecast generation and commentary creation. They connect directly to your data, detect anomalies, and summarize insights in seconds. Let's take a few real-world examples. Traditionally, you'd spend hours reconciling revenue tables and segment splits. But with AI finance agents, you can simply ask, explain revenue variance between actual and forecast Q3. Revenue declined due to lower product mix and delayed recognition in Q3. That's not magic, it's machine learning trained to read financial context. The AI flags marketing spend exceeding plan by plus 12%. It doesn't stop there. It breaks down spend by campaign, channel, and timing. The agent not only quantifies variance, but classifies it: root cause, affected period, and corrective path.
AI doesn't just tell you what changed, it tells you why it changed.
Cash flow forecasting is where AI shines the most. It scans weekly inflows and outflows, comparing them with historical and forecasted trends. AI predicts a potential cash dip in week 7 and triggers a recommendation. Expected inflow delay from client B, advance collection advised. That's predictive finance, acting before the shortfall, not after.
Automation doesn't mean loss of control, it means faster clarity.
One of the biggest misconceptions about AI in finance is that it takes away decision power. In reality, AI finance agents are designed to enhance human judgment, not replace it. You can still override forecasts, adjust baseline assumptions, drill down by project, customer, or cost center. The difference? AI prepares your workspace before you even open the file. AI reduces time to decision dramatically, yet leaves the human at the helm. This means finance professionals spend less time gathering and formatting, and more time strategizing and advising leadership.
Think of AI as Excel's next evolution, not its rival.
Excel remains a foundation of finance, but AI finance agents elevate it into a command center. A single dashboard can integrate variance monitoring, forecast revision, scenario simulations, risk alerts. With every dataset connected, you no longer start from scratch each month. The AI continuously syncs, analyzes, and visualizes changes, while you focus on interpretation and leadership.
AI doesn't take control away, it gives you time to lead.
In finance, speed without control equals chaos. But control without speed equals stagnation. AI finance agents bridge that divide. They deliver insight before you even ask for it. So you can spend less time explaining numbers and more time shaping outcomes. And that's the real transformation. Excel started as a calculator. AI became the conversation partner. Together, they form the new engine of financial intelligence.
Let Excel work smarter. The future starts now.
Because in this new era, insight isn't found, it's generated.